Finding the courage to change. Finding new perspectives. When I was young, I developed rigid patterns of behavior in an effort to control myself, my environment, and my family. It was a losing battle. No matter how hard I tried, I could not control every possible situation. I didn't know what I didn't know. Inevitably, what I didn't know would trip me up. I was often a victim of circumstances, but my rigid thinking kept me in a reacting mode. Illogically, I would try even harder to anticipate and control. Finally, I heard someone say, if you continue to do what you've always done, you'll continue to get what you've always got. That was an eye-opener. My controlling behavior patterns weren't working, so why did I continue to double down? It takes time, energy, and attention to change a lifetime habit. Perhaps the trickiest part is finding a new role model. It's hard to create a new behavior pattern on your own. It's so much easier to watch someone else demonstrate a new behavior. This is one of the reasons that mastermind groups and 12-step programs work. What the master is doing seems like magic, maybe a little impossible, a little out of reach, but my companions give me a huge boost. My companions are not better than me. They may be just one step ahead, but that's the step I'm trying to figure out. When they demonstrate that skill I'm trying to learn, it opens new perspectives for me. Now I have hope that I can figure this out. We're all in this together.